हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड पेरेंट्स, वेलकम टू नर्सिंग एक्सपर्ट्स रोहतक। आज हम आपकी विजिट हरियाणा की नेशनल कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग बरवाला में करवाते हैं और हम आपकी इंट्रोडक्शन करवाते हैं यहाँ की प्रिंसिपल मैम से। हेलो मैम।
हेलो।
प्लीज मैम आप स्टूडेंट्स को अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए और जो भी आपकी कॉलेज में फैसिलिटीज हैं, कैसे बच्चे आप तक कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं, प्लीज आप आगे बच्चों को एक्सप्लेन करेंगे।
Good morning, all of you. My name is Dr. Subhashankari. I am in this college since 2008, 2015. We have all the nursing programs starting from diploma, that is ANM, GNM, then undergraduate course BSc and post BSc, and the postgraduate program is MSc programs. So we have all these nursing programs.
काफी बच्चों की डिमांड थी, उनसे काफी बार रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस पुटअप किए जा रहे थे कि कॉलेज की आईएनसी एफिलिएशन है या नहीं है, कॉलेज में पढ़ाई कैसी है, क्या वहाँ का फीस स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज है या नहीं है। तो उन्हीं सब तमाम क्वेश्चंस के साथ हम आपके पास मिलने हैं। तो आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ से गाइड करो मैम और उनके बारे में आप यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन दे सकते हैं। बाकी कोई भी स्टूडेंट है वो आप तक विजिट करना चाहे तो आप उसको सारी चीजें यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन कर पाएंगे।
See, regarding the college, whatever if I am saying, rather than I am saying, I think the students can visit the college and compare with whatever I am saying now, whether all those facilities are available. So that they, actually, if at all if the student wanted to know about the college, rather than listening to me, they can come and approach us directly in the college so that they can see the facilities also. What are the facilities we are providing, like physical infrastructure, hospital facilities, library, lab facilities, so that they can understand that whatever we are saying is to the believable nature of what. So actually, we are affiliated with the Pandit B. Sharma University of Health Sciences, Rohtak, recognized by Indian Nursing Council as well as Haryana Nurses Nurse Midwife Council also. For the past 8 years, I am in this college. It is going to be 10 years now. So throughout this 10 years, we never failed to get affiliated or recognized by these apex bodies. So that itself says that our college is renowned college in Haryana, where we did not miss an opportunity of recognizing ourselves with this apex bodies. That stands as the frontline point for the students to choose our college for the nursing profession.
स्टूडेंट्स, आपके जो फ्रीक्वेंट आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन है मैं वो मैम से भी पूछता हूँ। मैम, काफी स्टूडेंट्स की फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ कहाँ तक रहेगी आपकी कॉलेज की। अगर कोई स्टूडेंट है वो हिसार के नियर बाई है या यहाँ से दूर है तो क्या वो बच्चा यहाँ तक कितने मार्क्स तक अपने आप को सेफ समझ सकता है कि आपकी कॉलेज में बच्चे का एडमिशन हो जाएगा।
For this question, I can answer like last year admissions, we have got the cutoff for general category 80 cutoff, and for the BC category above 70. We got a good number of students in these cutoff marks with the efficiency of their knowledge and subject matter knowledge and all. But this year, I don't know how far we will be getting. Hopefully, I think that it will be more than 80 only, because the number of candidates applied for the posts are high. Based on that, I expect and hopefully we are expecting that more cut-off mark with the good efficiency students we will be getting this time for admission.
स्टूडेंट्स, मैम के अकॉर्डिंग मैं आपको इसको हिंदी में भी ट्रांसलेट कर देता हूँ। मैम के अकॉर्डिंग ये है कि लास्ट टाइम जो नेशनल कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग की कट ऑफ रही थी वो थी 80 तक फॉर जनरल कैटेगरी एंड फॉर अदर कैटेगरीज इट वाज अबाउट 70। इस साल काफी बच्चों का नंबर इंक्रीज हुआ है तो हो सकता है कट ऑफ 80 से भी आपकी ऊपर चली जाए। एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन है मैम फैकल्टी मेंबर्स के रिगार्डिंग, क्या यहाँ पे फैकल्टी कंप्लीट है, क्लासेस रेगुलर होती हैं, फैकल्टी वेल क्वालिफाइड है या नहीं है।
We have a adequate number of quality for the strength whatever we are recruiting the students in all the nursing courses. Most of the staffs were PG faculties, those who have completed postgraduate nursing from the different colleges, and UG faculties are also we are having. Few of the faculty has done their doctorate, and 4 or 5 doctorate faculties are there with us, who has adequate subject expert knowledge in them, and they provide education to the students based on the competency based education, which is the revised syllabus given by Indian Nursing Council now. we follow all the parameters where we need to adapt this competency-based education and various teaching technologies that are used. Innovative technologies also we adopt. We don't follow only the lecture method of classes. We follow the different teaching technologies like brainstorming technologies, reflective learning, micro teachings. We adhere to the whatever syllabus has prescribed to us. We give lot of assignments where the students can take part in that, and then they become a nature of that particular teaching method only, so that they can adopt enough knowledge about different teaching technologies. And the teachers are well equipped in that. They prepare the lesson plan, unit plan, course outline. Based on all those things only, they go to the class. And then when it comes to the clinical point of view, we have the laboratories where OSCE and OSPE is conducted in the lab itself. When the student feels that they are competent enough, because it's not like one time they will practice directly on the patient. So they are given a trial and error learning in our lab, like continuous exposure, like 3 times practice is given to the students. Once the student feels like, yes, I am confident now, they are sent to the clinical. Then they will be developing the competencies in practice of the nursing profession, because you all know that the nursing is skill-oriented profession. So we integrate that theory into practice in the college itself. Then we send the students to the clinicals. This is how our faculty members are trained to impart nursing knowledge in the students.
स्टूडेंट्स तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैम से तब करते हैं रिगार्डिंग हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज. सो मैम हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज के बारे में बताइए आप.
Nursing is a profession where all the nurses should be having a residential accommodation.
Yes.
So, we are planning to make all the nursing students who are taking admission in our college to be a residential, to take a compulsory residential accommodation.
The hostel is mandatory in your college.
Yes.
Okay.
From this year onwards, we are planning, because we are facing a lot of difficulties when the students are going for the clinical hosting. Because it is little distance from a college, like 30 to 40 kilometers clinicals. So when they are going to the clinicals, nowadays clinical people are demanding us to send the students in 3 shifts, where it is highly impossible for us if we have any day scholar students to go to the clinicals and come. So that is why we have made it mandatory residential accommodation for all the student nurses who are taking admission in our college. And we are providing the good hostel facilities with a big mess hall, and then a portable drinking water.
Sorry, students continually पूछते हैं कि how many students are sharing a room in one room?
Yeah. They have a good physical infrastructure of the hostel. Each room, based on the room size, the student will be having 2 or 3 students in a
In
room.
one room, 2 students.
2 or 3 students in a room with the attached washroom facilities. And they have a wide terrace to dry their clothes. 24-hour water facilities are there. Both the drinking as well as hot water and soft water both are available. And in the winter season, they have the geyser facilities where they can get a hot water. That is also 24 hours available. And electricity backup is there 24 hours.
स्टूडेंट्स एक अपडेट है यहाँ पर. नेशनल कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग में इस साल अगली बार से आपको हॉस्टल मैंडेटरी है. विदाउट हॉस्टल आप यहाँ एडमिशन नहीं ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि इनको अपनी जो हॉस्टल ट्रेनिंग होती है, तो इनका मानना है कि अगर बच्चे यहाँ हॉस्टल में ही रहेंगे तभी वो प्रॉपर तरीके से ट्रेनिंग कर पाएंगे. और एक तरीके से बच्चों ये बात सही भी है. सो इस साल यहाँ पे आपको अगर एडमिशन लेना है तो आपको हॉस्टल यहाँ पे मैंडेटरी है, तो आपको इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है.
Here I would like to say that there is the advantage of the students to become a residential student in the hostel. Why it is because they are having 6 hours duties, morning 6 hours, afternoon 6 hours, night 6 hours. So when they are coming to the hostel, it is readily available for them, food is readily available for them. Otherwise, what happens in the day scholar is, by the time they reach home, it becomes 2 hours, 3 hours delayed, and they don't eat food properly at the right time. Because of that, they become sick also. Having all this experiment only, we have thought like this time we will make it as a compulsory residential accommodation for the student.
मैम वन पर्सनल क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स. काफी स्टूडेंट्स को हॉस्टल में फूड से लेके काफी प्रॉब्लम होती है. आप लोग यहाँ पे क्या सेफ्टी मेजर्स फॉलो करते हो कि आपका जो खाना है, मेस का खाना है, वो सुटेबल है बच्चों के लिए?
A good question you have asked. Every month, I personally interact with the students to ask if their food is good enough, quality and quantity wise, both are good or what. I ask them. And if there is any change in the menu, we advise them to change the menu every month. Otherwise, hostel food will be the same. They may be getting monotonous with that. They will not be liking to have their food. And I used to check the food also personally, like whether the food is tasty enough, lot of masalas are not added, hygienic status, all those things we check, and then only we take the feedback from the students of the food. Based on the changes or request from the students, we implement those changes then and there only, so that the students as well as the parents are satisfied with these things. So I can give you that 100% assurity that the students are getting good nutritious food from the hostel.
And last point is मैम about the results of your college. आपके कॉलेज से मैम कोई अच्छे बच्चे सिलेक्ट हुए हैं, गवर्नमेंट जॉब लगी हो जिन बच्चों की, ऐसे कोई स्टूडेंट्स हो जिनका कोई रिजल्ट हो आपका कि जिससे बच्चों को लगे कि भाई हाँ मैं नेशनल कॉलेज में जाकर अपना एडमिशन देना चाहिए,
Of course,
या
there
कोई
are-
भी ऐसी आपकी अचीवमेंट है अभी तो लास्ट ईयर में 1 साल 2 साल में, तो आप कुछ
Of course, there are plenty of reasons why the students can select the nursing college of nursing. Past 2-3 years, there are many students who were appointed as CHO, that is community medical officer, health officer, as well as many students were appointed in AIMS. All around India, many AIMS our students got selected. I personally gave the recommendation letter for all these AIMS area like AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Nagpur, AIMS Delhi, AIMS Deoghar. सब जगह पे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स तो प्लेसमेंट हो गया है, एंड मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर माइग्रेटिंग टू फॉरेन कंट्रीज आल्सो. इट्स नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, एंड फ्यू नर्सेस वर सेलेक्टेड इन द मिलिट्री नर्सिंग आल्सो. आर्मी नर्सिंग में भी है. So many students are employed in Australia also. I get so many letters for bridging course, recommendation letters like this. Students are placed in different areas of India as well as international also. Most of our students are placed in Australia, Canada and UK.
मैम लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आर देयर एनी हिडन चार्जेस? क्योंकि कॉलेज में जब बच्चे एडमिशन ले लेते हैं तो उनकी बहुत शिकायत आती है कि हमने स्टार्टिंग में फीस कुछ बताई थी, हमें बाद में हमसे लिया कुछ जा रहा है. तो ये आपके कॉलेज में ऐसा कोई हिडन चार्ज हो या आप लोग स्टार्टिंग में ही सारे फीचर्स क्लियर कर देते हैं?
Actually, we don't have any hidden charges. Here I would like to say you that we have an admission committee as well as the selection committee. So we have the committee members where the principal and few faculties and the management will be constituting the committee. And we used to explain during the admission like these are all the expenditure. Usually management will take care of the tuition fees as well as the hospital fees. Academic committee will take care of whatever charges is going to happen for their mandatory module, elective module. You all know that BSc Nursing new syllabus has come now, semester-wise system. So each semester there are some mandatory module, elective modules, and there are some other visits also. Nowadays there are a lot of visits in their plan. So we tell them each semester this will be the cost the student has to pay other than the admission and hostel charges. So that the parents will be aware like what will be the expenditure for that particular semester. Not that year-wise, we tell semester-wise. This is the expenditure that the student has to pay this whole semester. And also we send the students for the outside posting for psychiatric and all. Here we don't get any facilities. So we send them to Amritsar, Punjab. 1 month the student has to stay there. So for that separately the student has to pay. So whatever expenditures we explain the students and we inform the students also. If it mandates the parents teachers meet, we conduct the parents teachers meet. Personally, we talk and interact with the students. We create a WhatsApp group as per the technological advancement. And we convey time to time information to the student as well as the parents so that there will not be any discrepancies about the financial matters.
And मैम द लास्ट मैसेज आप सभी स्टूडेंट्स अभी आपको देख रहे हमारे चैनल के थ्रू, तो आप उन स्टूडेंट्स को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे जो स्टूडेंट्स आपके कॉलेज में एडमिशन के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं, आपसे मिलना चाह रहे हैं, किस टाइम वो कॉलेज में आके मिल सकते हैं, और आप उन बच्चों के लिए एक मैसेज में लास्ट मैसेज आप देना चाहते हो, आप प्लीज बताओ.
I actually would like to inform all the students who are seeing this video, like nursing is a profession where there is a lot of demand in the world. It's not only in India, I'm saying in India as well as the international, there is a lot of demand for the Indian nurses. So when you're selecting the nursing course or for the studies where you have to choose the institution, first and foremost thing you need to check is whether the student college is recognized and affiliated by whichever apex bodies it has affiliated. You personally go and visit the physical infrastructure of the college, you interact with the principal and visit the lab, for the facilities and equipments available. You check the quality of the education provided by that particular colleges. Don't think only about the fees and all. Do not think for the certificate alone. See that whether you will be getting the proper education from that institution. And you have to check the syllabus also, like whether it is a competency based education the college is providing. Then only you can select a good college. Selecting the good college is not the big deal, and you need to follow the instruction of the college people also, where you can get the additional qualification certificate also. Now if you take our college, we are not giving only the BSc degree certificate which is obtained by the university. We conduct a lot of programs here, and we give the valid certificate to the students, which is an advantage for the students wherever they carry that to the hospitals as a staff nurse when they are going for the selection. They can show all those basic requirement what is needed for the students, like BLS is there, ACLS is there, palliative care module is there, and newborn care resuscitation and all is there. These and all we provide in our college, and we issue the valid certificate which is becoming an advantage for the student. Rather than carrying one single certificate without any knowledge, our students will pass out with the competencies. And this year we have decided, like for the semester system, 8th semester is full of internships.
Yes.
So we are thinking to take a tie-up with or memorandum of understanding with renowned hospitals like Max or what is that in Gurugram on Medanta. So 6-month residential accommodation and internship posting will be there, so that the student will be developing the competency also. When they are going out, they will develop the confidence in their nursing profession. With confidence, they can walk out of the college that I am a professional now.
Ma'am, many students are confused among which course should they select, like BSc nursing, BVT and paramedic. So आप एक चॉइस बच्चों को आपकी तरफ से आपका क्या ऑप्शन है? क्या बीएससी नर्सिंग चूज करना चाहिए, बीपीटी चूज करना चाहिए, पैरामेडिकल?
I can always say that nursing is a profession where it has a lot of job opportunities. It's not like you will be working in one area only. You can be at a college as a teacher, you can be as a clinical nurse, and there are a lot of subspecialties in that: oncology nursing, neurological nursing, critical care nursing, dialysis nursing, OT nursing. As a coffee subspecialty here. It's not an end to the nursing profession. Always there is a tremendous growth in the nursing profession. After completing the BSc nursing for 6 months, you can go and do some other specialty course. You can add on your credits to the nursing profession. The more you add on, the more your value will be. Many NABH accredited hospitals are there. Many of them doesn't know the campus drive or career opportunities. We conduct all those career opportunities, campus interview, where we make aware of the students that there are n number of opportunities. Only thing, we need to approach the right college, right person to guide us, so that the students will be familiar about the nursing. Initially, when the students join the first semester, we give them all the motivational classes, stress management classes, because when the first semester students comes, they are away from their homesickness is there. Many of them tend to quit the groups, but we try the students, we give the guidance and counseling. We have a lot of committees. So those committee people help the students to groom themselves and to adjust to the environment wherever they are. So all those things we do it from our college. That is why I welcome you all people to our college and choose our college as the best college. And I can assure you that you can see the outcome of the course whichever you have taken.
Thank you, ma'am. तो स्टूडेंट्स, ये थी प्रिंसिपल मैम नेशनल कॉलेज ऑफ नर्सिंग से। हमने जितना भी आपको कोशिश किया है, हमने सब कुछ आपको सच बताया है, और जो भी आपको कॉलेज की जितनी भी फैसिलिटीज हैं वो आपको सब इस वीडियो
doing such a wonderful job of motivating or creating an awareness in the students how to select the best college for their professional. Actually, since you are interacting with so many students, students may be having a lot of queries like, can I select the college which is nearby my hometown, or should I have to go that much distance? ऐसे काफी सारा queries होगा, जरूर होना चाहिए क्या हॉस्टल में, ऐसे भी काफी क्वेश्चंस होते थे. अब ये वीडियो देख के बच्चों को समझ में आएगा what we have to see to take admission in that college rather than locating the college nearby their hometown. They can prefer the college which is recognized, which is providing the quality education, so that the students also will be having a better awareness regarding the nursing profession.
बस यही मोटिव था हमारा मैम, ताकि जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो कॉलेज से डायरेक्ट विजिट कर पाए, कि काफी स्टूडेंट्स विजिट नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो हमारा जो मोटिव था वो कॉलेज से बच्चों का इंटरेक्शन करवाना था.
Really, it is a wonderful job. Keep going so that many students will be getting benefited, and also it will prevent the students to choose the college which is not having any facilities. And students does not have the awareness regarding the INC website. Mein, how can they check the recognized list? They can check the recognized list in the college rather than without checking, going and taking admission in some other college and taking migration and all. It will be a difficult task for them. So here I would like to say the students, before taking admission and selecting the college, they can select the list of nursing colleges which is recognized by INC in Haryana. They can choose a better college rather than getting trapped in some unrecognized institution. These days you know that it is mandatory to get the INC recognition. Otherwise they will not be eligible to work out of the state also. So that can be an added point to the students to check the list of a state nursing council as well as the INC, then they can go and select the colleges.
And students, ये कॉलेज 100% INC अप्रूव्ड है, तो आप इसको कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. बट मैं आपको फिर बार बार ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि आप आकर एक बार कॉलेज में विजिट करें. आप कॉलेज में विजिट करोगे तो आपके सारे डाउट्स क्लियर होगा. थैंक यू.